Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are trying another Doux combo using the 808 base gel. I did a previous wash and go and I used the 808 gel along with the honey curl custard from their B-Girl collection, and the results were pretty awesome. Make sure you check out that video after this one. But today we are trying out the 808 base gel with the Mousse Def, which is what the directions on the 808 base gel says to pair it with. I got a lot of comments wanting me to try the 808 base gel with the foam from the B-Girl collection as well. I did order some when they had their 50% off sale maybe last week or a week ago, but I am still waiting for my order. It has not been shipped yet, so I decided to just go ahead and try the 808 base gel with the Mousse Def so we can see what my results look like. I applied the 808 base gel in the shower, but I did not apply the Mousse Def. If you would like to see how I applied the 808 base gel in the shower, I will have that 808 base gel and the honey curl custard video linked up above so you can check that out so you can see what my process was. I did not take my camera into the shower with me this time. So I have my plastic caps on, so I am just going to go ahead and take them off so y'all can see what my hair is looking like with just the 808 in my hair. Ooh. And y'all, it looks so good, like nice and shiny. And if you would like to know what I use for my wash day, I'll just run through the products I use really quick. So I started out with the Doux No Scrubs Wash and Go Exfoliating Shampoo. And then I went in with the Press Rewind Curl Detention Shampoo from their Press Play collection. And then I went in with the Fast Forward Heat Prep Conditioner. And I did deep condition as well, but I used the Miche Peppermint deep conditioner. I actually left that in the shower, but that is the deep conditioner that I used. And like I said, the 808 base gel is currently in my hair. So I am just going to apply the Mousse Def just in, like, not super small sections, but just in maybe medium-sized sections, just so we can see how the Mousse Def pairs with the 808. All right, so this is the section that I am going to start out with, and I am just going to take Mousse Def and start off with 2 pumps. I already see like my curls getting even more defined, but y'all listen, I think this is going to be a great wash and go. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to apply the mousse, and I'll come back once I'm done. Okay, y'all, I am done applying the mousse, and do y'all see the definition? Oh my goodness. And do y'all see that my hair is still elongated? Y'all, I think this is gonna be a good one, but this is how it is looking right now in the back. So I'm going to diffuse with my pattern blow dryer and diffuser attachment. And I don't know if y'all saw or not, but Pattern recently released a little carrying case for their blow dryer, and y'all know I had to get it. But this is what it looks like. And basically you just unzip it here. The zippers go all the way along the side here, and it basically just folds down. And the dryer sits in like this. And there are actually little pouches right here where you can put maybe like clips or bobby pins or scrunchies or whatever you may want to put in your bag. And they do zip as well, right here and right here. And then on the side there are these mesh pockets as well, right here, and then there are some on the other side as well. But yeah, so here is the comb attachment, the brush attachment, the concentrator nozzle, and the diffuser. And the best part of this little travel case or travel bag, it comes with a silicone cover to put over the diffuser. I love that idea. But yeah, so this is what it looks like in the bag. And you can put a good bit of stuff in here. So yeah, I am just going to go ahead and put my diffuser attachment on here so we can diffuse, and then once I'm done diffusing, I'll come back so you guys can see what my dry results look like. So I am done diffusing my hair, and it is probably about 99% dry, but I will come back tomorrow so you guys can see what my next day results look like. Okay y'all, so it is the next day, and this is how my wash and go turned out. Looks so good, y'all. It feels really good. It doesn't feel dry or anything. Feels very moisturized. My curls are super duper defined, and it's minimal flakes, just a few little floaties here and there, but nothing dramatic at all. Like, I can see this wash and go lasting at least 4 days for me. So that is pretty much it for this video. As you can see, the 808 base gel and the Mousse Def make a really good wash and go combo. Comment down below and let me know what you think of my results. Also, make sure you are subscribed and your notifications are turned on so that you will know when I upload my video using the 808 base gel and the foam from the B-Girl collection. I will do that review as soon as I get my package from the Doux. And I would just like to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.